Today, I'll walk you through how to import Excel files into Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to transfer your Excel data seamlessly so you can work more efficiently in Google Sheets. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. This is the gateway to accessing Google Sheets, so take a moment to launch it. Now that you have Chrome open, navigate to the Google Sheets menu. Click on the menu icon and select Sheets from the dropdown. This will take you to your Google Sheets dashboard, where you can manage all your spreadsheets. Think of it as your digital filing cabinet. Next, look for the folder icon, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will open a new window where you can upload your Excel file. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the functionality remains the same. Once you click the folder icon, select the Upload option. This will allow you to choose the Excel file you want to import. After you upload the file, it should open automatically in Google Sheets. This is where the magic happens. Your data is now accessible in a format that you can easily edit and manipulate. Now let's highlight the data you want to work with. Click on the cells or rows that are important for your analysis. Highlighting is like marking your favorite passages in a book. It helps you focus on what matters most. After highlighting, you can make any necessary changes to your data. Whether it's adjusting formulas, changing formats, or adding new information, Google Sheets provides a flexible environment for your edits. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Take your time to ensure everything looks just right. Finally, once you've made your adjustments, you can save your work. Google Sheets automatically saves your changes, so you don't have to worry about losing any data. Just like that, you've successfully imported your Excel file into Google Sheets. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.